Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back with another DIY, and I really hope that you guys are having a great day and staying safe during this time. So since I have been in quarantine at home, I decided to give my old dresser a complete makeover. Today I want to show you guys the process of how I did it and all of the supplies that I used. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing that I grabbed while at Home Depot was some sandpaper. Then I went to the wallpaper section, and they had this paintable wallpaper, which was perfect and exactly what I needed. And after that, I went over to the knobs. There were so many choices, but I ended up going with this golden bronze one. Actually, it was champagne bronze, and it was perfect. Absolutely loved that one. Finally decided to go with white paint and got some flat white, and yeah, as you can see here, this is my dresser. It was pretty beat up and definitely needed some TLC. Okay, so step one is to sand. I started off by sanding the entire dresser, started at the top and then moved down to the corners and the edges of the drawers. As you can see here, I am sanding away.